Imagine creating stunning professional level designs in seconds. No artistic skills required. Adobe Illustrator's AI generator is here to transform how you design. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Adobe Illustrator, already a design powerhouse, now comes with an AI generator that leverages artificial intelligence to speed up and simplify your creative process. From generating vector art to refining layouts, it's a game changer for designers of all skill levels. Why is everyone raving about this feature? It's not just a gimmick, it's a tool that saves time, boosts productivity, and makes pro-level design accessible to everyone. Imagine turning rough ideas into polished designs in minutes. Let me show you how. Let's start with the basics. First, ensure you're using the latest version of Adobe Illustrator. Then, open the AI generator from the window menu under Plugins or AI Tools. Once activated, you're ready to create. Now for the fun part, designing with AI. Simply describe what you want, like minimalist logo with geometric shapes, and let the AI generate multiple options. Choose your favorite and customize it further using Illustrator's editing tools. Want to take your designs to the next level? The AI generator can assist with layout suggestions, color palettes, and even vectorizing hand-drawn sketches. Upload a rough sketch or describe your color preferences. It's like having a personal design assistant. Once your design is complete, exporting is a breeze. Go to File Export, select your desired format, whether it's for social media, print, or web, and you're good to go. And that's it, your ultimate guide to Adobe Illustrator's AI generator. With this tool, you can create professional designs faster and smarter than ever. Which feature are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments.